Crypto has entered the banana zone. Over the last year, Bitcoin surged 150%, and Solana skyrocketed 180%. Institutional money is flowing into Bitcoin ETFs globally, with BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF surpassing their iconic gold ETF. This is just the beginning. From AI-enhanced blockchains to DeFi innovations and tokenized real-world assets, crypto and blockchain are rewriting the rules of finance. At Emergence 2025, happening February 26th to 27th at the Four Seasons Sydney, discover how AI is transforming smart contracts and fraud detection. The latest breakthroughs in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana scalability. The future of DeFi and tokenization of real-world assets. Insights into global regulatory trends reshaping crypto. Meet 1,000 plus high net worth investors, family offices, and thought leaders. Gain exclusive insights into private markets and position yourself for the next crypto bull cycle. Secure your chance to shape the future of your digital asset investments. Register now and secure your VIP experience at Emergence 2025. Let's unlock crypto's next wave together.